Now let's talk about enums. Enums are a type of custom data structure which can be defined in Solidity like most of the other popular languages. They're useful for assigning names to integral constants, which can improve code maintenance and readability. They limit variables to a few predefined values known as elements. The options are represent integer values starting from 0, and a default value can be assigned to the enum. And the use of enums can help reduce bugs in the code. The syntax for creating an enum involves defining a name for the enumerator, followed by a list of elements. So here you can see an enum is Solidity for weekdays. As you can see, it has 7 different values. As I mentioned, numbers assigned to these values are 0 to 6. And we can also define constants with a default value. And we also can declare functions to set value for the choice variable, or to get the value of the choice variable to get the default value here. Okay, structs. In Solidity, they allow you to create complex data types that have multiple properties and are useful for grouping related data. Structs can be defined outside a contract and imported into another contract, and are often used to represent records. To define a struct, the struct keyword is used to create a data type. The property is defined by its constituent variables. To access any element of the struct, the dot operator is used to separate the struct variable and the elements being accessed. And to define a struct data type, the struct name can be used as the type. So now let's take a look into an example. As we can see here, we have a struct called book. It has variables name, author, ID, and a Boolean variable to show if it's available or not. This is how we can declare a variable of type book. And this is the way to actually initialize the variable of type book. And we can also define a function to initialize the variable of type book. As you can see here, it's basically no different than initializing it like this. And this is how we could access its values by using the dot operation. And this is how we use structs.